These are the electric indoor mouse traps, and I actually already baited one of them before recording this, but I still wanted to show the first and second one up close. Right away, these traps feel really sturdy and well built. This model uses an instant kill electric zap, and it's designed with a pet safe trigger system so your dogs or cats can't accidentally set it off. The inside chamber is long and enclosed, which gives the mouse all the way in before the trap activates. I like that the top opens easily for adding bait and checking the trap, and it locks securely so nothing can get knocked loose. The construction feels solid, not flimsy like some of the cheaper plastic traps out there. These come in a 2-pack, so you can set them in different problem areas around your home, garage, or pantry. They're reusable, easy to clean, and simple to set up. Just bait, put batteries in, turn it on, and the indicator light lets you know that it's armed and ready. Overall, these electric traps are a great option if you want something quick, effective, and safe around pets. Super sturdy, easy to use, and they get the job done.